Hello everyone, welcome to See for Happy Life channel. After Phalaenopsis flowers wither, improper care can easily lead to the plant's decline. Today, I'd like to share some tips I learned from the internet. How to use cinnamon water and aloe vera water to care for Phalaenopsis, and how to grow it using a semi-hydroponic method. Make a mixture of aloe vera water and cinnamon water. Take an aloe vera leaf and wash it. Cut it into small pieces with scissors. The smaller, the better. Add 500 milliliters of boiling water or hot water. Stir well, then cover and let it cool to room temperature. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Add 500 milliliters of boiling water or hot water. Stir well, then cover and let it cool to room temperature. After about 3 hours, the mixture will have cooled and can be filtered before use. Aloe vera water can be filtered using a regular strainer, while cinnamon powder requires gauze or a finer filter. In the video, I used a baby hand and mouth wipe as the filter cloth, since these baby wipes are free of any chemical additives. You can mix the aloe vera water and cinnamon powder water together directly. Just remember to stir well before each use. Cut off the withered flower stems and be sure to disinfect the scissors beforehand to reduce the risk of infection at the Phalaenopsis wound site. Apply cinnamon powder to the wound of Phalaenopsis orchid. Remove the old moss and trim away any severely rotted roots. Don't use the old moss because most of it is moldy. Soak the Phalaenopsis roots in a mixture of cinnamon and aloe vera water for 30 minutes. Just soak the roots of Phalaenopsis, not the leaves. Use a soft cotton cloth or wet wipes to gently wipe both sides of the leaves with the mixture. Soak the new dried moss in the cinnamon and aloe vera mixture for 30 minutes. Remove the Phalaenopsis from the mixture after 30 minutes. It will take about 2 hours for the root surface to appear dry, although it will still feel slightly damp. Remove the dried moss from the mixture after 30 minutes and squeeze out the excess water by hand. When the roots of the Phalaenopsis appear dry, it's time to place it in a flower pot. We can use volcanic rocks or lacquer to line the bottom of the flower pot, about 2 to 3 centimeters thick. The flower pot used in today's video has a bulge at the bottom. For aesthetic reasons, I laid the volcanic rocks to match the height of the bulge. Wrap the Phalaenopsis roots with the moss that has just been soaked and gently squeezed dry. Start by filling in the middle, then wrap it around the roots. My experience is to wrap it loosely without pressing too tightly. I've found that if it's pressed too tightly, the moss tends to mold easily. I'm not sure if this is due to the conditions in my home, but I think you can go by your own experience. Don't worry if the Phalaenopsis shakes a bit when the moss isn't tightly pressed. As long as it doesn't fall, it's fine. The roots will settle and firm up within a few days. Add about 1 centimeter of water. Place the pot with the Phalaenopsis inside and you're done. You can keep them indoors or outdoors in a greenhouse. With proper light, temperature, humidity, and ventilation, they will thrive. You can also mix cinnamon water and aloe vera water in a spray bottle and mist the Phalaenopsis once a week. It's not difficult to do. You can give it a try too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me in making better videos. Thank you.